Hello again. I'm going to do a song called Birds. I wrote a while back, and it's particularly meaningful right now. Birds in a golden cage. We're all birds in a golden cage right now. And sometimes, we find ourselves stuck. And when we get stuck, all kinds of things come in, all the, not friendly energies like, fear and panic and anxiety and depression and these things. So one of the messages is that, you got to set free these birds in a golden cage, which means you and the people connected to you. It's really hard right now that in contact. I'm telling you, I'm hug deprived, and I hug everybody, complete strangers, I don't care who they are. And it's really difficult to be isolated. And so doing this to try to lift everyone's spirits has really changed my life. So as far as birds go, yes, I'm still in a golden cage, but I'm gonna get out. And when this is over, we're all thinking we're gonna get back to normal. No, we're not gonna get back to normal, we're gonna get better to normal. It's gonna be a different world. I see on Facebook a page about kindness, pandemic. And I read that there are things in the morning, every morning, so that I have a good attitude, because even I am susceptible, being alone and not being particularly well, to thoughts that can be not good. And every thought is going to manifest something. So I need to stay healthy, I need to stay calm, and I want to spread that calm. I want everybody to try to find something that they can do. Color, make puzzles. Do something. If you have a craft, do that. But keep busy. I'm doing cleaning projects, let me tell you. They needed to be done. And I'm getting them done a little every day. And playing the music and sorting the music. And producing a video, even in your home, isn't easy because everything has to be planned. And we're having some technical difficulties, so I'm doing one song at a time instead of doing 3 or 4 on one video. And that's okay, whatever it takes. We're going to get through this thing, and when it's over, it's going to be better. And we're not getting back to normal. We're going to get to better normal. Okay? All right, so here's Birds. Birds in a golden cage, what a price they pay for the peace that's offered them, to fly against the sky and touch the wind. What a sin in a golden